Okay, we're going to write some content based on the lists we've been making. If you've not watched those videos, go back and watch the previous videos. We've got the master list we're attacking here based on low-hanging fruit for high search volume and low competition. So we're going to start with Asheville Comedy Club. Okay, that's got 390 searches a month. The competition's almost none. It's 0.02. Now we got some related content hoping here in our notes that Google gave us. Asheville Comedy Club schedule, Comedy Club reviews, Comedy Club tickets, Comedy Festival, Sauce of Life Comedy. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy all these and have them ready. All right, I'm just going to command copy. All right, so I got those ready. And now I'm going to go over here, and you could either send this to an outsourcer, send it to us to write it through one of our outsourcers, or you could use it just with a ChatGPT. Now, I do have a premium account. It's only $20 a month at the time of this recording, and they have some things here. They've got ChatGPT 3.5 is the free one. You can use that. I'm going to use ChatGPT 4, but I'm going to use it browse with Bing. Okay, so to turn that on, what you have to do, you have to go into your settings. You have to turn on beta mode. That means it'll let you test things. Now, at the time of this, it may be normal, not beta anymore, but right now it's beta. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click ChatGPT 4 and beta. If you don't have that, just use the free one. It's fine. It just won't be able to search the internet. It'll only give you knowledge it had before like 2021 or something, and that's fine. So here I've got a new chat because I don't want it to, I just want to do it with you so I can show you exactly how I would do it from scratch. So I get on here and I would write, can you please write me 2,000 words of SEO content for my website. Please search the internet so the information is current. And then I'm going to add some things to modify it to make it better right from the beginning. Please write this as if you are a sales/travel writer for a famous tour book. I don't know. You can put a person's name or whoever, whatever style. If you don't like the way it's writing, you can ask it to rewrite it in the style of someone else that you like, and it'll change the whole things about it. And I'm going to put here the main H1, that's the header 1 tag, and main keyword to be ranked for is, and what was it exactly? Let me go back and look. Asheville Comedy Club. Okay. Yep. Asheville Comedy Club. Okay. The page will be listed on AshevilleShow.com, and our comedy club is called the Hypnolarium Comedy Club in downtown Asheville, North Carolina. It's the only permanent comedy club in Asheville with comedy shows weekly. Okay, and then I'm going to put, please add these terms in the copy at least 2 times each. And I'm going to paste. And then I'm going to say, please format for Markdown. And add all caps for all caps for more attention to keywords. That'd be fine. Okay, so I should have put that in the first one, but I'll let it. It's doing its work right now. So it's clicked on a link, so you can look here and see what it's doing. It's searched Bing for Asheville Comedy Club Hypnolarium, so it's looking up my website, and now it's writing. So it's writing the information based on all that knowledge I gave it, which was based off of what Google gave me. Okay, now this is not going to be perfect. You probably still should work on it a little bit, but man, it's going to save you a lot of creativity time that you would have spent a whole day trying to figure out how to write this. Even if you rewrote each section based off what it says, which is something I do sometimes, it would save you tons and tons of time. It looks like it's already formatting this for Markdown because it's putting titles and leaving things in bold. See, this is wrong. I'm not known for Don't Tell Comedy Asheville events. That's a competitor, so you have to proofread this well because it will tell lies about you. And you need to be very careful because one time it wrote me something, and one of the questions that I got off of Google was, can you drink on the streets in Asheville? And it said yes. So if somebody gets arrested for that and they say they learned it from my website, I could be liable. So I just always make sure that I reread, and then add and take away and change things on this. And the more human it is, the more protected you'll be in the future. Okay. And you could have an outsourcer do this as well. So that's the first thing. So now I would just go read that, and now you've got some great content. And what you could also do is take one of these exact terms that we had earlier. Open, recent. That's not what I opened. Let's see if this brings up. So I was looking for the other one that I just made. Let's see here. There it is. What is the best street in downtown Nashville? So watch this. So you could do, because this was a big search term, you could take that exactly and ask it to write that. So watch this. So now, and we've got a base right here. You could put that on your website, but I'm going to show you how you name it and everything with the next one. I'm going to have it write another one. Please write 1,500 words SEO content for my website and work in promotion of the Hypnolarium Comedy Club in several places. Use this question as the H1 and focus of the article. There we go. And let's see what it does. Okay, so we're letting it write about this. What is the best street in downtown Asheville? Because that's one of the questions that Google asks for things to do in downtown Asheville. So the hub of entertainment and culture, Woodfin Street. Yeah, I don't know if Woodfin Street if that's really true about Woodfin Street. That's sort of a side street, to be honest. So it might have been that originally, but you could rewrite this and make sure it's all factual and good. Yeah, all it wants to talk about is Woodfin Street. People are going to be disappointed if they go walk up and down Woodfin Street. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing it. So I had it changed to the 2 streets that I think are the most popular streets in downtown Asheville. And I'm just going to ask it to change that. So it's trying to finish. Oh, it's writing now. No, it's still writing. So I'm going to stop generating, and then I'm going to ask it to change this. Boom. What is the best street in downtown Asheville? Downtown Asheville, North Carolina is a treasure trove of culture, history, and entertainment. Patton Avenue and Biltmore Avenue, the hub of entertainment and culture. Okay, yeah. So see, this is good. It's writing this. So I'm going to let it write this, and in the next video, I'll show you how to add it to your website and get it found by Google, where you're going to start getting free traffic, okay? We'll see you over there on the next video.